This video is for the 4-square Bojagi ornament. Pick out 2 squares in the kit and pin them together with the 1/4-inch seam folded inside. They should be facing each other. With the folded edge of each square facing each other, sew them together using the whip stitch. Remember to hide your starting knot and your finishing knot while you are having consistent, even, and neat whip stitches. Repeat with the other 2 pieces. You will now have 2 rectangles. Pin the rectangles together at the center where you want to try and keep a precise 4-corner appearance. Whip stitch the 2 rectangles together. I start the whip stitch from the center and go out to the end. This is because I can ensure the integrity of the intersection is sound. I like to have all the seams pressed open on the wrong side. After you essentially have 1 square, create a rectangle by pinning the seams of the 2 opposite sides of the material together and then whip stitch the 2 short ends together. Make sure you have the 1/4-inch seams folded inside before you whip stitch the short ends. Now, when you have done, you will have 1 long end open. The next step is to bring the closed sewn seams together to the center, where you will now have 2 open seams on either side of the center point. Push the corners together. Pinch so that your fingers meet in the middle. Then sew that seam starting from the inside center to the outside corner, or you can sew from the outside corner and ending in the middle. It's your preference. Repeat this step. Same instruction on the last open seam, ending in the outside corner or in the center. I actually like to do this last stitch line starting from the outside and going to the center, as then when I am at the center, I can create my hanging loop with the excess thread. The last step is to make the hanging loop. Make 1 stitch in the center. With your opposite hand, make a loop with that stitch. Put your needle hand down and loop the loop with the needle side thread and make a knot securing the loop. Then pick up your needle and make a stitch through the loop knot and then knot off, hiding your final stitch. Once you get the loop on your ornament, shape your ornament so that it poofs out. I typically take the bottom of the ornament and pull it away from the top and then kind of make a puffy square, but gently pushing down on the sides and pulling out the corners while simultaneously forming the square. Just play with it so that you can get volume back into your ornament. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy making your ornament and showing it off and showing off your new Bojagi artistry.